Amazing, amazing. Come. Let me show you something. Come on, real quick. Just come over here. Just look at this. Look at this, guys. This is a $55,000 deposit and a $27,000 profit, guys. Look right here. 1 month, guys. 1 month. This is 1 month, guys. This is actually very, very amazing. I mean, this is the Blue Key account management service, guys, and this is actually the easiest way you can actually make profit in the Forex market in 2023 and beyond, guys. You don't need to be a seasoned trader, even if you're a beginner or you're actually a seasoned trader. This is one of the best ways and easiest way you can actually make profit, guys. So in this video, guys, I'm going to be answering all the questions that have been coming my way. Questions like, how do I get started? What if my account gets blown? You know, all of the questions in regards to our account management service. I'm going to be answering them in this particular video. So don't go nowhere. Make sure you stay till the end of this video, guys. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. It's going to be somewhere around here. And also like and share a comment in the comment section, guys. So without any further ado, let's go. All right, guys. So our account management system basically entails that we manage your account on your behalf. That is, we trade on your account on your behalf, guys. So you really do nothing other than funding your account and giving us login to the account. Then we manage the account. All the trades are going to be placed by us. We manage the trades by us. Close all of the trades by us, guys. So you're basically doing nothing. We just manage the account for you while you observe. So that's basically how what the account management system actually entails. Right, so it's pretty simple, yeah. All you just have to do basically is to just open your account. That is your broker account. You fund your account and then you send us the login details, and then we just proceed to connect your account, and then it starts trading on your account, guys. You can see that the process is actually very, very simple, guys, and pretty straightforward. So, and then you're gonna get guide and help all the way through until your account is live and running. So initially, it was a $10,000 minimum deposit. So, but then we recently brought it down to as low as $1,000, guys. So, a lot of people cannot afford, to fund a $10,000 account, and they really want us to manage the account. So we brought it as low as $1,000, guys, so that you don't really have much excuse. And then we even $1,000 deposit, guys. The profit is actually very decent. Yeah, it's pretty decent for a $1,000 account. So, guys, with a minimum deposit of $1,000, we could actually start managing your account, and you could just relax and just enjoy the very sweet roller coaster of profits rolling in. Right, so we've been doing this for a couple of years now, but the thing is that it was just exclusive to only a few students that we were actually managing for. But only recently, about 5 months now, going 6 months, we opened it to the general public. So basically, you could actually, anybody or anyone that has up to $1,000 can actually fund their account and start. So for like 5 months now, it has been open to the general public. And guys, it has been so amazing. This last 5 months has been really, really amazing, guys. The success story is just mind-blowing. And we are seeing a long-term deal here, guys. It's not just a 1 month, 2 month, or 1 year program. It's going to be here for a really long time, because we are here for real business, guys. Absolutely, guys. You are in total control of your funds, right? So you're basically going to open your account. So the back end login, everything is in your control. You are not sending that login to us, guys. You're not to give that login to anybody. So you have total control of your funds. You can actually withdraw your money at any time. We are only in control, or we have access to your MT4 live account, guys, so that we could trade on the account, right? So every other thing is actually in your possession. So even if you don't enjoy the service for a week, maybe you try our services for a week and you're not okay, you're not satisfied with the service, right? So you could basically just close down the account, withdraw all of your funds, and then go ahead and do your business. But guys, you're in control of your funds. We don't have access to it, and you can withdraw your funds at any time. This is a very interesting question because some people are of the opinion, or they like, when you're flipping your account, you turn a $1,000 into $5,000. All this stuff is actually good, guys, but high risk, high reward, right? So what we do here is we want a very sustainable system, guys. So we are averaging 30 to 50% monthly, which is actually good, guys, for an account management program. Imagine you're making up to 50%, 40%, or 30% in a given month is actually really, really good. So that is the range that we average on. We don't want to give too much, or let your account, or overly expose your account to high risk so that we end up losing the account. No, we are all about sustainability, everyday consistency, profit, and we just want to give you that long-term thing. So we just expect 30%, 40%, or at least 50% in some really good months in a trading month. Yeah. Now, this is a very interesting question, and a lot of people do ask this question, and this is what I tell them. Now, since we started our account management system, we have not blown any account under this account management system, guys, not even one. Now, the thing is, we have a risk management system that is very, very awesome, guys. It's really amazing, because if you're practicing absolute risk management, a very good risk management, you are really on a safe side. You're already on a safe side, right? So a second thing that we put in place is what we call equity protector. Equity protector. Yeah, so what that does is this, yeah. Our equity protector actually protects your account from being blown completely. So this is how it works, right? So if you have an account, let's say a $1,000 account or a $10,000 account, and then we set the equity protector to about 50% or 60%, let's just use 50 for example. If in a very unforeseen circumstance we have a drawdown up to 50%, everything shuts down, guys. Everything shuts down, so you don't lose everything. But then these are extreme cases that we may not even get to, guys, because already we have a risk management system that allows your account to be traded on a very conservative mode, guys. Very conservative mode, so that we have this longevity and sustainability for the long run. So your account is going to be absolutely safe. You don't stand a chance to lose everything, even in the case of some exceptional market rally that could spike up some really, really bad trades. But we are always safe, guys, no matter what. Absolutely not. We don't charge for any VPS service. We don't charge for the robots. We don't charge any extra or any hidden charge, guys. There's really nothing like that. We only get paid after we make profits for you, right? So it's a profit split. We manage the account. We handle all the technicals. We handle every other bill that's going to come in, that's going to be incurred in managing your account. We're going to take care of all of that, right? So the only thing is we get paid when you make a withdrawal, right? So we could do monthly withdrawal depending on the agreement that we could have with you. It's either going to be a monthly withdrawal or bi-weekly. We are always very flexible, guys. So we only get paid after we make profit for you. Any other charge, this is not from me or any of my team. We're not going to collect nothing, not a dime from you. So that's how we roll with the account management system. All right, so I already said this earlier. If you want to start with us, there's going to be a link in the description. You could join our Telegram channel. You could chat me up directly on Telegram, or you could hit me up on WhatsApp as well, guys. So you're going to get the whole detail is going to be sent to you from whatever platform that you chat us from, and then you're going to just open your account. After opening your account, the next thing is to fund your account. You open and you verify your account, then you fund your account. After doing that, you send us your login details, and we're going to send you back a message when your account has been connected, the date, your start date, your account, your start balance, and your profit split. All the details are going to be sent to you, and then within a few hours, guys, you're going to start seeing the trades rolling into your account just like that. It is that simple. All right, guys, so these are the questions that have been coming my way. A lot of people have been asking this question, so I decided to put this all up together so that I could answer them in one video. But then if I don't answer any question that is on your mind that you're trying to ask as well, you can leave that question in the comment section right here, or you could just join our Telegram and chat me up directly and send your message, and I'm gonna do my best to answer that question for you, to get you all clarified, because when you're cleared, you know exactly what you want to do and what you're getting yourself into, guys. So that is it basically on this particular video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.